Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to import collections in Postman. Let's dive right into the steps you need to take to get your API collections set up quickly and efficiently. Importing collections is a fundamental skill for anyone working with APIs, allowing you to share and reuse sets of requests. We'll cover the two primary ways to bring your collections into Postman, making your development process smoother and more collaborative. Get ready to streamline your workflow. First, let's look at importing a collection from a file. Open Postman and click the Import button, usually found in the top left corner. From the options, select File and then navigate to where your collection's JSON file is saved on your computer. Choose the file and click Open. Postman will then process the file, and you'll see your new collection appear in your workspace, ready for use. It's a straightforward process for local files. Next, we'll explore importing a collection directly from a link or URL. This method is perfect for public collections or those shared via a direct link. Again, click the Import button in Postman. This time, select the Link tab. Simply paste the URL of the collection into the provided input field. After pasting, click Import and Postman will fetch the collection data from the web, adding it to your workspace. This is super handy for quick sharing. To wrap up, here are some best practices for importing collections. Always try to validate your collection's JSON structure before importing to avoid errors. Also, consider organizing your imported collections into specific workspaces to keep your projects tidy and manageable, especially if you work with many APIs. This helps maintain clarity and efficiency in your development environment. And hey, if you're looking to enhance your home or office, check out the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to add smart functionality to any room.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.